In this segment, you will see what is included in the box, how it is used during setup, and what tools you will need to complete the assembly. Before we get started, because of the size of the John Deere multi-tool combo, it is advisable to have another person help you with the assembly. Also, you should keep the assembly hardware in the packaging they come in until they are needed. This will help keep them from getting lost. Begin by removing the components from the box and carefully placing them on a flat surface. Before you get started with the assembly, make sure to verify that all the parts are present. Now, in the box you should have 1 platform assembly, Part A, 2 wheels, Part B, 1 lift tube assembly, Part C, 1 aerator attachment, Part D, 2 skid gauges, Part E, 1 lift handle, Part F, 2 lower lift tubes, Part G, 1 rubber grip, Part H, 1 transport handlebar, Part I, 1 tined spring shield, Part J, 1 right-hand bracket, Part K, 1 left-hand bracket, Part L, 10 spring tines, Part M, 2 hitch tubes, Part N, and 1 center brace, Part O. In the hardware packages, you'll find a variety of different size bolts, washers, and clips, including 2 1/2-inch by 4-inch bolts, Part P, 2 5/16-inch by 2 1/2-inch bolts, Part Q, 2 3/8-inch by 1 3/4-inch bolts, Part R, 1 3/32-inch by 2 5/16-inch hair cotter pin, Part S, 2.08 by 1.58-inch hair cotter pins, Part T, 1 3/8-inch by 3-inch hitch pin, Part U, 2 3/8-16-inch by 0.9-inch shoulder bolts, Part V, 4 3/8-inch by 3/4-inch bolts, Part W, 4 1/4 by 3/4-inch bolts, Part X, 4 5/16-inch by 1 1/2-inch bolts, Part Y, 3 5/16-inch by 1-inch bolts, Part Z, 2 flange bearings, Part AA, 2 1/2-inch nylock jam nuts, Part BB, 2 1/2-inch jam nuts, Part CC, 8 3/8-inch lock nuts, Part DD, 9 5/16-inch lock nuts, Part EE, 4 1/4-inch lock nuts, Part FF, 2.38 by 0.75 by 1-inch spacers, Part GG, 2 3/8-inch by 3/4-inch clevis pins, Part HH, 4 5/16-inch washers, Part II, and 2 3/8-inch washers, Part JJ. You will also need the following tools, which are not included: 2 3/4-inch wrenches, 2 1/2-inch wrenches, and a screwdriver. For additional or missing parts, please contact the manufacturer directly at 1-800-448-9282.